Welcome back to my channel. This is Wild Atom, love of art and nature. So, welcome to Wales in a mountainous region of the Brecons. Every step is worth it, even when you've got weight on your back, because every step gets you closer to this. Hi guys, Wild Atom here again. I'm back in Wales, heading up to this peak here. Try and get to one of these peaks. How disjointed we are as a culture in the West, how much negativity is going on today in the world, especially in Europe and the Western world. And that is why, guys, you must try and get away from the cities and get somewhere where there is natural beauty, because I'm telling you, it's going to help fix your mind, or at least it's a positive distraction away from all of that negative, horrible energy that's going on. And the other thing it's good for is these bad boys here. Get your legs moving, get your heart pumping, get that blood flowing and circulating, and it gives you time to think as well. That's one thing that I've gotten better at, doing more of these adventures by myself. It's the solitude. I'm learning to be more at peace in my own company. As someone that really suffers with ADHD, I know that term gets thrown around a lot today, but trust me guys, I really do. I'm forever losing things. Got air tags on everything. Sometimes I wonder if I should put a bloody air tag on my brain, to be honest with you. My mind is very sporadic a lot of the time. Getting out to these places, doing this strenuous exercise with all this weight on my back by myself, it allows me to master the art of being alone. And I think it is an art form. And I think there's so much noise in the cities today. There's so much background noise, front and centre noise. Just being by yourself can do you a world of good for your mental and physical well-being. And, oh yeah, before I go, look at this for a view. Let's get up to that peak. Cheers guys, it's always really nice to get a hot drink after hiking all this way with all that weight on my back. Hiking is good. Remember that old saying, no pain, no gain. It's absolutely beautiful here. Lyn Pan Y Fan Fac, I don't know. It's Welsh, isn't it? So it's difficult to pronounce. But this is a beautiful lake. You can see over there. It's absolutely gorgeous, this place. Only problem is this time of year is the midges. I just caught one of the little buggers trying to have a go on my leg. Salvinelli pipe, Winchurch pipe, and I have some tobacco. Oh, that is nice. I'm always going on about health on this channel, and I don't actually smoke. I'm not a smoker. I like to mention that on these videos when I have a little go on a pipe or a cigar. I'm not a habitual smoker. I've never smoked cigarettes, and I don't inhale this pipe smoke or cigar smoke into my lungs. With these pipes and the cigars, you just inhale it into your mouth. You don't take it even to the back of the throat. It's just in your mouth, and it's all about just the ritual. It's very therapeutic, and the flavour, the taste, and it is really soothing, and it does taste nice. Cheers guys. Oh, that is beautiful. I've really cut back on my drinking. I haven't had a drink of alcohol in 4 weeks. About 4 weeks now, at all. And when I drink like here,
this is just, again, for the tasting experience, the tasting notes. So just enough to wet the mouth and get those flavours. But I'm really cutting back on alcohol because it's not good for you, and it really affects my sleeping routines. I never have a good night's sleep when I drink too much alcohol. And I think alcohol makes you do silly things, and I know it's made me do silly things in the past, because you lose your inhibitions and then you think, you become more impulsive, and I've always been more impulsive anyway. I mentioned earlier that, you know, I have sort of attention deficit disorder, and with that comes impulsivity. And, you know, if you're already inclined to be naturally quite impulsive, when you drink alcohol, then you probably become even more impulsive. Good morning, guys. You know, when you're at home and you're in your bed and you wake up and you're all warm, like a little toasty bun, you don't want to leave the bed. Well, here it's like I don't want to leave the bed. When I leave the bed, I'm going to have to put the bed away, and the bed takes some putting away, unfortunately. Guys, look at this view. It's getting clear. It's been raining all morning. I'm so happy that it stopped raining. It was raining from the early hours of the morning, torrential rain and wind, and it's just, look at how blue it's getting over there now. Guys, get out into the wild, get out into nature. We're very lucky to live in a nice, safe country with a lot of natural beauty to explore. But I'm telling you, just look at this view. How does that view not make dopamine receptors fire off in your brain? Because it does in mine. It is a natural high. I'm absolutely buzzing now. I'm happy just because it stopped raining and the sun's come out and the blue skies come out. Look at this absolutely beautiful lake. It's gorgeous mountain range. Look at the sunlight coming across there. That's the kind of picture that God would paint, isn't it? God has painted it, I think. Or whoever God is, or whatever God is. Something's been painted and it's bloody beautiful. And how lucky are we to experience it? Look at this. Ah, it's so nice. I absolutely love Wales. This is Wales, by the way, the Brecons. I love this country so much. I might have been Welsh in a previous life. I think I'm more patriotic about Wales than I am my own country, England. This place is so beautiful.